Hey guys, so I wanted to make just a quick screencast going over how to search the SWIC library website for readings to help you out with our reading list assignment this week. So let's just go ahead and get cracking on that. So what I'm first going to do is go to the SWIC library website. You can get here by the SWIC website homepage, go to Student Services, and then Library. So once you get there, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to this sort of blue box in the middle where you'll see that there's broken down into articles, books and movies, and find facts. So if you type in what you're looking for in this first articles section, what you're going to find is research articles, kind of based around the topic you've chosen. So if I wanted to search for, let's say, Native American literature, that's what I'm focusing on, I'm going to hit enter. You may have to sign into your InfoShare because this is a paid service that SWIC pays for, so you may have to log in first. So the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of just look through these articles and see if there's anything that looks interesting to me. I like this translation and resistance in Native North American literature. That looks kind of cool. So I'm going to click on this HTML full text, and then I can use this source maybe if it fits what I'm looking for. If you're using a website like EBSCO, which is this search website, then along the right hand side here you'll see the cite button, and if you scroll down you'll notice that there is a section on MLA. If I wanted to use this source and I needed that MLA citation like I'm asking in your reading list, this is a great way to get it. Any of these others, JSTOR, Nexus, Uni, and Opposing Viewpoints, they all have that cite button, so look for it. All right, they will do that MLA part for you. But what if you're looking for pieces of literature? Because I am requiring that you have at least 3 pieces of literature. So I'm going to go instead to books and movies here. And what I can do is look for what's called an anthology. And this is actually a collection of stories. So I'm just going to type in anthology in Native American and see what comes up. See if we get lucky. I always like that. There used to be I don't know if it's a button on Google anymore, it said I'm feeling lucky. So let's see. There is indeed a Native American literature anthology available at Belleville. So what I can do is open up that specific book search. You'll see again, I do have a citation button. I can copy and paste this over to my reading list. And I can actually request this book. I'll have to sign in, but I can request this book be held for me, and I can go over to the Belleville Library and get it. What's great about anthologies, and if you kind of scroll down to the anthology description, is this is a collection of literature, and it has all different stories that I can look through. So I could use maybe 5 of these stories in my project, and they're all in one book, which is just fabulous. So I think anthologies are a great way to find readings if you're kind of not sure where to go. Another thing you can do, look for a specific author's name. So say you liked Sherman Alexie, he is actually in this anthology. Say you liked his book that we read and you want to search for short stories by him. A lot of his work will be available for free online, but you may also be able to find some through the library. So hopefully this gives you an idea of some places to look and some helpful tips, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with.